Letting go isn't about giving up, it's about finding peace. But why is it so hard to release the things or people that no longer serve us? In this video, I'll guide you through a journey of understanding, healing, and freedom. Stay with me, because this could be the first step toward a lighter, happier you. Script: welcome to this transformative video on how to let go of people and situations that hold you back. If you've ever felt trapped in the past, stuck in a toxic relationship, or burdened by something you can't control, you're not alone. Today we'll break down how to release these weights and move forward with clarity and purpose. Section 1. Why letting go is difficult. Let's start by understanding why letting go feels so hard. Our minds are wired to cling to familiarity, even if it's unhealthy. Whether it's fear of the unknown, guilt, or a sense of obligation, these emotions often keep us tethered to the past. Recognizing this is the first step toward freedom. Section 2. The signs. It's time to let go. How do you know when it's time to let go? Here are some clear signs. The situation drains your energy instead of uplifting you. The relationship is one-sided or toxic. You're holding on out of fear, not love or growth. The person or situation no longer aligns with your values or goals. If any of these resonate with you, it's time to take a step back and reevaluate. Section 3. Practical steps to let go. Now let's get practical. How can you actually let go? Acknowledge your emotions. It's okay to feel sadness, anger, or grief. Write down your feelings, talk to someone you trust, or simply allow yourself to process them. Shift your perspective. Focus on what letting go will bring: peace, freedom, and room for new opportunities. Set boundaries. If it's a person, communicate your boundaries clearly. If it's a situation, mentally and emotionally detach from it. Practice mindfulness. Stay present. Meditation, deep breathing, or grounding exercises can help you release attachments. Forgive and release. Forgiveness isn't about excusing behavior, it's about freeing yourself. Write a letter you don't send, or imagine yourself letting go of the pain. Remember, letting go is a process, not a one-time event. Section 4. Finding closure and moving on. Closure doesn't always come from others. It comes from within. Give yourself permission to move forward, even if you don't have all the answers. Replace what you've let go of with positive habits, new connections, or goals that excite you. It's not about forgetting. It's about making room for what's next. Letting go isn't easy, but it's one of the most empowering things you can do for yourself. By releasing what no longer serves you, you create space for growth, love, and happiness. What are you ready to let go of? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And remember, you've got this.